In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an image with Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open Leonardo AI in your desktop browser and head to the main app page. Once you're inside the platform, look for the image section and click on it. This is the area where you'll create AI-generated artwork, designs, or concept images from a text prompt. After that, choose a model. The model affects how your image is interpreted and rendered, so this is an important creative choice. Different models can produce different visual results even when using the same prompt, so if you're ever experimenting, this is one of the first settings to pay attention to. Next, choose a style. The style helps guide the overall look and feel of your image. For example, it can influence whether the result feels more realistic, artistic, cinematic, or stylized. Picking the right style early can save you time and help your first results come out closer to what you want. From there, choose your image dimensions. This determines the shape and layout of the final image. A square format works well for general use, while wider or taller dimensions may be better depending on where you plan to use the image. Then, select the number of generations. This controls how many image variations Leonardo AI will create at once. If you want more options to choose from, increase the number. If you want to keep things simple and generate faster, choose fewer results. Now type in your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want Leonardo AI to create. Try to be clear and specific so the AI has better guidance. The more focused your description is, the easier it will be to get a useful result. Finally, click Generate. Leonardo AI will begin creating your image based on the settings and prompt you selected. Once the generation starts, just wait a moment for the results to appear and you'll be ready to review what it created.